Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare.
Everybody come in front.
सबसे पहले गुरुपाद
First, our Prophet Gurupad Bandalila Prabhupada Vishnupad Ashtottara Sachi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sachi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj in his lotus feet I offer infinite Dandavat Pranam. Then Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sachi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and all the Vaishnavis in everyone's lotus feet. I offer my Dandavat Pranams. Very blissful thing it is that today we are under the guidance in the shelter of Thakurji and Gurupad Padma. We are sitting. When such fortune of the jivas arise, then jiva get opportunity to associate with the sadhu and then they develop taste towards katha. Because in this Kali Yuga, people won't easily have ruchi towards katha. People like to watch television, right? Even a little child these days, they are not able to speak. Even then, they are consuming content from mobile phone. They know how to turn on the phone. I don't know what things they watch, but this happens these days. True or not? The little girl is saying, I don't have time to watch. Gurudev is saying, on Sunday, what do you do?
Sundays, what do you do?
On Sunday, the little girl is saying, television. No time for mobile, but have for television, the mother is saying.
No, I have kept her so busy that she doesn't have a time in the entire day. Classes, school, studies, everything is, well scheduled. And by 9 o'clock she has to go to sleep.
Guru is saying, very nice. For this regard, I am saying that when fortune of the jiva arise, then they sit in satsanga. Without satsanga, knowledge does not come, and without mercy of Ramchandra, we can never find satsanga. Tulsidas ji is saying easily in Ramcharitmanas, he explained about Bhagavad, the Sanskrit shloka. He explained very easily. He explained in Hindi. Because if we don't have the mercy of God, we won't get ruchi towards Hari Katha, Bhagavad Naam. Because those people who come to associate with sadhu and they listen to little bit of Hari Katha, they sit in Hari Katha. This is also enough, too much. Because in Kali Yuga, the age of humans in Kali Yuga there is very less, and there are so many diseases. And the humans of Kali Yuga, their mind is very restless.
किंतु मन कहाँ जाते हैं? विदाउट टिकट,
Without ticket, without passport, the mind is wandering all around the world.
सारा पृथ्वी घूम करके फिर आ जाते हैं और फिर पुनः 2
And
सेकंड
then
के बाद फिर
after 2 seconds, the mind also
उसी के चले जाते हैं। जाता है कि नहीं जाता?
it's again going here and there.
श्रीमद् भागवत में
For this regard, in Srimad Bhagavatam, it is coming.
कलियुग के मनुष्य आयु अल्प है। कितने आयु है?
The humans of Kali Yuga age is very less. People are saying 100.
Comparatively, जब हम स्टडी करें
If we analyze properly, then
तो अब देखिए सप्तयुग के लोग
we can see
कितने दिन जीवित रहते थे?
people of Satya Yuga stayed alive for life expectancy was 100,000 years was the life expectancy. And then
और त्रेता युग के लोग
त्रेता युग
रहते थे तो उसके एक जीरो कम कर दो,
remove 1 0 from it.
एक जीरो कम
So remove 1 0 from 100,000, then it is
10,000 हो जाता
10,000.
है। दापर युग के लोगों की 10,000 से फिर एक जीरो
Then from remove 1 more 0 for Dwapar Yuga, now it's 1,000.
और कलियुग के
And in Kali Yuga, remove 1 more 0. It will become 100. This is okay. 100 years.
कलियुग के मनुष्य के आयु 100 से अधिक नहीं होती, बहुत कम।
Very, very rare you see someone
100, 102,
more than 100 years old.
20 तक बहुत कम।
Very, very rare.
70, 80, 90 साल हो
70, 80, 90 is
लुढ़क जाते समय
people die at that age only. 70, 80, 90. They have to give up the body because body does not work. All our senses.
वो धीरे धीरे सब
Slowly, slowly, all they stop working.
बंद कर देगा। आँख धीरे धीरे देखना बंद,
Slowly, slowly, eyes stop seeing.
ठीक से सुनाई,
We get hearing problems, and then
आँख से ठीक से हम
we cannot smell anything properly. With our hands, they start to tremble.
करके अपना कंपन करना
Our hands start to tremble, and our teeth, one by one,
गिर
they all fall off.
जाते। बाल धीरे धीरे
Slowly, slowly, all our hairs will also become
बाल
white.
कहाँ से पहले शुरू होते हैं सब?
It starts becoming white from which point? Do you know?
बिल्कुल कान के इधर से
Just nearby the ear.
शुरू का नाम कर
2 ears, where 2 hair become white, and then we pull them off. But when if whole hair becomes white, what will you do? Why are they near the ears? These hairs are giving us indicator that be ready.
तुम्हें जाना पड़ेगा।
You have to go from this world. The white hairs are giving indication in nearby the ear.
प्लेटफॉर्म में
Like on
ट्रेन आने के पहले
before the train comes on the platform, there's a signal announcement.
सिग्नल देते हैं। ठीक उसी
In the same way,
बाल सफेद होता है यहीं से।
when the hair becomes white, it starts from here and it's giving us a signal that
ये तुम्हें जानी होगी।
you are about to leave this world. The time has come.
यही तो संसार
This is the material world is like this.
और भी
And especially in Kali Yuga.
कहाँ तक कुछ क्या करता है?
What can you do in Kali Yuga?
हम लोग तो कितने कितने साल सोते हैं जानते हैं?
You know how many years we sleep?
स्टडी में भी बताया
In a comparative study, it is explained we sleep for 50 years. How many? 50 years we are sleeping. How?
कितने घंटा हम सोते हैं?
How many hours do you sleep every day? Tell me.
आप बताओ। 8, 9, 10
8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hours someone sleep. If 12 hours you're sleeping, then half of the day you are sleeping means half of your life you're sleeping. A little child at that time,
50 साल तो ऐसे ही चला जाता है।
50 years people sleep.
और देखो जब छोटे हम बच्चा थे
And when we were child, 10 years old, we were sleeping all day because we did not know anything about spirituality. We were sleeping all day.
और 10
So 50 plus 10, 60 years.
फिर देखो
Then-
विद्या अभ्यास आदि करते करते एक विषय
Then studying,
करते PhD बाद किसी
studying MA, PhD, we are getting degrees,
कितने साल लगते हैं?
everything.
10 साल चला जाता है
10 years go by there, and then you make
करते चला जाता है
house, families. Then what do you have?
10 साल रह गए
10 years only.
10 साल में
In 10 years, what will you do?
अभी 10 साल में आप क्या करोगे आप
In those 10 years, what can you do? Tell me.
आया थे हरि भजन के
We all
लिए,
came to worship Sri Hari, but we started to do something else.
वास्तव में संसार में
In reality, why have we come in this world to do bhajan of God?
God created man after his own image।
God created man after His own image.
बाइबल में भी इसमें लिखा है
In Bible also, it's written.
भगवान ईश्वर जो है मनुष्य किसने सृष्टि किया?
Why God created humans?
ना उनकी भजन करने के लिए।
so that they can do bhajan, back to God, back to home.
किंतु हम इसमें ही लगे रहते हैं।
But we are absorbed in this material life. You tell me,
कहते हो छोड़ तो हम छोड़ नहीं पाते,
we are not able to give it up. True or not?
स्कूल से आए जैसे
Like-
बच्चा भी स्कूल से आया,
Like mother told that she brought kids from her school.
आगे
The bus came, so she had to receive her children.
जब स्कूल जाते हैं वो भी बस में चढ़ाना है, छोटे
Then you have to make sure
स्कूल तब
the children board the bus properly and everything like this.
फिर लाने के लिए जाते हैं।
Then she's going to receive them also, because in this world it is like this. For this regard, so life is passing by like this. How can you do bhajan like this?
जिसके लिए
And for this regard, we came here
वो हम कर नहीं पाते।
to do bhajan, but we are not doing that. Everything else we are doing in this material world. But at the end, when you leave this world, what will you take with you?
क्या चीज लेकर के आया,
What did you bring with you, and what will you take with you?
कुछ लेकर मुट्ठी बन के आया,
We all came with our fists closed,
हाथ
and we will leave this world open-handed.
वास्तव में सत्य है, सभी इसको
This
जानते
is true. Everyone knows this also.
नहीं है
Everybody knows this,
कि हम
that we
सबसे छोड़कर
will leave everything and die.
धन संपत्ति
Money, wealth,
खजाना जो कुछ
everything,
चले जाए।
everything we will leave here in this one day.
जितने भी हम मंजिल बना ले जो
Many floor house you can make,
पड़ा रहे,
but it will always stay here.
किंतु इस संसार के नियम भी है।
But there is the rule of this world we have to follow. It's not something new. I'm not telling you something new,
उसके क्या करो,
but I'm just making you remind. You all know this, nothing else.
सभी कहते हैं जब वृद्ध काल आ जाते
People say when old age will come, we will have to go where?
Where will go?
Where you will go, do you know?
सभी कहते हैं ना,
Everyone say we will have to go, we want to go. Where?
भी गए,
Like father has gone. He has passed away. Where? When will he come back?
कोई व्यक्ति गए,
If someone has gone, then where? You don't
कब
know.
आएंगे?
When will he come back? This also don't
देखो
know.
पिता
So-
इंग्लैंड गए,
Father went to England, then you can say he went to England, right? And after 20 days he will come back.
2 महीने 1 साल के बाद,
After 1 month, 6 months he will come.
किंतु ऐसे स्थान में जीव
But
चले जाते हैं
when a jivas goes to such a place,
करके आते
they don't come back.
हैं। क्योंकि ये शरीर
Because
में
in this material world, the soul that I'm talking about,
है,
the soul is there in the
soul resides in this body,
soul is residing in this body.
इसलिए शरीर जो है काम कर रहा है,
So this body is working.
और ये शरीर से आत्मा
And
चली जाती
when the soul leaves the body, then what do we say?
है, बोले ओम शांति,
The little girl is saying Om Shanti Om. Nice girl. Om Shanti.
शांति हो जाता है।
So peace comes. She is like saying rest in peace.
नहीं ठीक ही बोला,
She is saying
ये
correct.
शरीर अभी तो चंचल है, जो आप कर रहे हैं, जब आत्मा चली जाती है तब इस-
When the soul goes off from the, they say Om Shanti Om Shanti. Like
बच्चा बहुत चला है,
very nice girl.
very intelligent,
Intelligent.
बड़े शांति हो जाए।
Full peace.
बात इस-
It is true.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं,
For this regard, it is said,
इस शरीर से जाने छोड़ जाने के पहले
before leaving this body,
कुछ जानो,
you self-realize yourself.
हम कौन है,
Who am I?
Who am I? हैं? इसके बारे में थोड़ा आप
You ask this question to yourselves.
हैं? नहीं तो खा
Otherwise,
करके बाद-
eating, sleeping, just enjoying life, you will die
फिर
easily.
पुनः संसार
Then again, you will take birth in another family.
तावद जननम तावत मरणम तावत जननी जठरे शयनम। संस्कृत में कहते शंकराचार्य बार बार इस
In Sanskrit, it is coming like this again and again. You will have to come in this material world.
संसार को हम छोड़कर चले
And-
जाते हैं, फिर कहीं न कहीं जन्म हो जाता है, कहीं कहीं हमें जन्म होते रहते हैं। इसी
So we are taking birth again and again in this cycle of birth, and this is called the cycle of karmas,
अपने कर्म के
karma chakras.
आ रहे हैं, जा-
Like this, we are coming, going.
अनंत काल से अंत
For endless amount of time, we have been wandering in this cycle of birth and death.
मन कर रहे हैं। जो व्यक्ति इस संसार से जाने के पहले इसी के
The people, those who realize this before they die,
जानते हैं, और पुनः उसे संसार
then
आना नहीं पड़ता।
they don't come back to the cycle.
निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमम् मम। गीता में भगवान का
In Gita, God is saying,
जो मेरे धाम में एक बार को प्राप्त कर
if
लिया
someone attains my abode, Vaikuntha Golok Vrindavan,
और पुनः इस संसार में को,
they don't come back again in this world.
इसलिए थोड़ा आत्मा के
For this regard,
भगवान के बारे में
no, you must realize something about the soul, the God.
जैसे आज
Like he told, these days
तर्क करते हैं,
people they question that who has seen God?
भगवान को किसने देखा?
Who has seen God?
देखा आपने?
Have you seen?
देखा आपने?
Have you seen? See Thakurji sitting here.
आपके घर में ठाकुर जी
You have Thakurji in your house. If you say, have you seen God? You should say yes. See, he is here.
क्यों नहीं देखा?
Why not?
देखा
You have seen,
किंतु उसके
but
साथ बात करो,
you try to talk with him.
बात करेंगे नहीं
Will
करेंगे?
he talk back or not?
करेंगे।
He will talk.
काल मैंने कहा था
Yesterday I told
जी के बारे में बता
about Meera ji explained.
उनके साथ ठाकुर जी
She had deities, and with Thakurji she was talking
क्योंकि
with the deities, because like this,
प्रीति हो,
if we have love and affection, then the deities will talk to us.
प्रीति हो, स्नेह प्रीति हो,
If we have love, affection, sneha, prem, priti, then the deities will talk. Without that,
मूर्तिमान हो के बैठे देख
the deities is just sitting in form of deity and then just looking everything.
चाहिए, उसी प्रकार प्रेम हमें होनी चाहिए,
So, prema must be there.
स्नेह प्रीति हो,
Sneha, priti must be there.
तब हमारे साथ बात कर,
Then we can
वो भी
understand.
खाते हैं, वो भी सब कुछ करते हैं, इसलिए
So, for this regard, in Braj Katha is coming like this.
भगवान तो
Some people say
आते,
God is not coming.
भगवान तो आते,
God is not
अरे
coming.
द्रौपदी जैसे तो बुला,
You don't call him like Draupadi. Draupadi called or not?
द्रौपदी जब बुलाया था
When Draupadi called,
प्रकट हुए,
Draupadi appeared.
हैं?
Also God appeared when Draupadi called. Once Durvasa Rishi
उनकी कुटिया में आ गए,
came in his kutia when Pandavas
वन में थे,
in the forest.
दुर्वासा ऋषि साथ
Durvasa Rishi with 60,000 disciples, he arrived there. At that time, Draupadi,
करके वो बटली है, उसके साफ करके
she was cleaning the utensils after everyone ate everything. She was cleaning the
युधिष्ठिर महाराज
utensils. In the meantime, Yudhishthira Maharaj said, Durvasa Rishi has come. How will we prepare for him?
और उस समय
Prepare food for him. That time, Draupadi, she called to Krishna. At that time, Krishna was in Dwarka.
देखो कहाँ द्वारकापुरी, उस
See,
समय
at that time, there was no telephone.
आज हम
These days, we have phones.
क्या यूज करते हैं,
And what do we use these days?
मैसेज क्या क्या
Message,
व्हाट्सएप में क्या, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं।
many things.
चीजें नहीं करते हैं, मुझे पता भी नहीं।
I don't know. I don't use.
देखो बुलाया,
So they called.
द्रौपदी बुलाया,
Draupadi called from where?
काम्बोवन,
From Kamavan.
और उस समय
And at that time, Krishna
द्वारकापुरी
was in Dwarkapuri.
मैसेज चला गया
And the message arrived to Krishna.
और स्वयं
And
भगवान प्रकट हुए।
Krishna came.
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल, जिसे कोई कहते हैं
Someone say,
तो आते ही नहीं,
Krishna does not come. You don't call out to him as like Draupadi did.
कोई कहते हैं कृष्ण
Some say Krishna does not eat.
सबरी जैसे तू,
You don't feed him as like Shabri did.
अच्छा सबरी खिलाए कि नहीं भगवान,
Shabri feed to Ramchandra, right? Ramchandra came and beautiful fruits she offered to Ramchandra.
और भगवान रामचंद्र
And Ramchandra ate those fruits.
प्रेम जहाँ पर,
Wherever there is prem, some people say
कृष्ण तो सोते
Krishna does not sleep.
हैं? अच्छा माँ जसोदा तू जैसे
You don't make him sleep as like Mother Yashoda did.
गोपाल को माँ जसोदा कैसे प्रेम से सुलाते,
Mother Yashoda is with so much love she is making sleep
सुलाते कभी
Krishna. So like you are making your children sleep, the child is complaining, I cannot sleep, then you pick up your baby, you embrace your baby, kiss your baby, then you sing lullabies, and then the child falls asleep.
इसी प्रकार
In the same way, Mother Yashoda,
ऐसे
she is
लीला कथा सुना,
explaining nighttime stories to little Krishna and then making him sleep. So there is so much love and affection, and some people say,
कोई बोले कृष्ण तो नाचते ही नहीं,
Krishna does not dance.
गोपियों जैसे
You don't make him dance as like gopis.
गोपियां नचाएंगी,
Gopis make Krishna dance, right?
थोड़ी सी मक्खन दे दिया करे,
They just show little bit butter. Oh, little Krishna is little Krishna. They say, you dance and then we will give you this butter.
छोटा बालक कर रहा है,
Little Krishna said, how much butter will you give me if I dance? They said, this much. Then he did one move. Then he gave little bit butter.
गोपियां क्या करती
Then you want more butter? Dance again. Then gopis, they pick up the cow dung. They put tika on Krishna. The cow dung dots they make on the face of Krishna to make keep account how much butter they have to give. So
प्रेम
God,
जिस
so
प्रकार
prem
संसार में
in this world, like in our family with parents' family, we are staying with them. How do we stay?
प्रेम से रहते
With love and
हैं, एक
affection.
दूसरे के साथ प्यार करते हैं,
We love each other.
तब हम एक साथ में रहते
Then we can stay together.
हैं। और प्रेम नहीं हो
And if there is no love, then how will anyone stay together? Then they will go here and there.
इसी संसार में
So,
प्रेम नहीं है।
so prem is important in this world, but the prem in this world, it is
टेम्पररी,
temporary.
कुछ समय के बाद वो
After some time, it won't exist because everything we see in this world,
क्षणस्थायी का
it's temporary.
है, धीरे धीरे वो
Slowly it will be destroyed.
हमारे शरीर भी नष्ट
Our body will also destroy.
एक दिन नहीं रहेगा,
Even we won't exist one day.
आप बताओ,
True or not,
शरीर नहीं रहेगा,
this body won't exist. We will leave this body.
फिर इसी प्रकार से
And then like this it is going on. But God,
वो अजर है,
He is eternal.
न जायते न मरियते,
He does not take birth and he does not die. Same with the soul. Soul does not take birth, soul does not die. Soul, super soul, does not take birth and does not die. For this regard, we must develop love and affection towards God.
जो भगवान के साथ प्रेम करता है,
Those who love God, they can love everyone. Those who don't love God,
वास्तव में वो किसी
in reality, they cannot love anyone.
इसलिए बाइबल में एक कथन
In Bible, there's a quote:
लव इज गॉड, गॉड इज
"Love is God, God is love."
लव इज द एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ डिवाइन लव,
Love is the embodiment of divine love.
लव इज गॉड,
God is love, love is God, God is the embodiment of divine love.
भगवान के प्रति कर लो, देखो सबके
Just you love God and you can love everyone because God is sitting in the hearts of everyone, right? Even if He is in the heart of a dog, in the heart of an elephant, and even the heart of an ant, in the heart of a human, everywhere. In everyone's heart, God is present.
सबके हृदय में भगवान बैठे,
In everyone's heart.
जो भगवान के प्रति करता है सब
Those who love God, they love everyone. And those who don't love God,
वो वास्तव
in reality, they don't love. They can never not love anyone.
में हम क्या
For
करते
this regard, what should we do?
हैं? प्रभु के प्रति करो, प्रेम करो,
Love God.
हैं? जैसे आप लोग ठाकुर जी रखे बहुत
Like you have beautiful Thakurji here in Gopal. What's his name?
लाडू गोपाल है,
Called Laddu Gopal. Do you offer food to him?
और रोज
Every day offer him something.
ठाकुर जी ये पीछे को जो है बहुत
Like very nice.
तिलक भी
This little girl has put beautiful tilak today. Who put this tilak on you?
हैं? अच्छा
प्रभु।
सफेद महाराज
White Maharaj. She's saying White Maharaj. White Maharaj put tilak.
सफेद कपड़े पहने,
He's wearing white clothes, white, so he's White Maharaj. Very nice.
तिलक लगा है।
You all put tilak. Very nice. She also put tilak. Very nice.
क्योंकि
Good, because
ठाकुर जी है ना, तिलक
Thakurji himself he puts tilak. There's a slok. Remember this slok. Then you will know.
कस्तूरी तिलकं ललाटो पत्रे,
Kasturi tilakam.
स्तुभं नासाग्रे वरमुक्तिकं करतले कंठे च मुक्तावली गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो विजयते गोपाल चूड़ामणि। भगवान के देखो ललाट पर
God on his forehead, he's wearing beautiful tilak. For this regard, humans should also put tilak.
जैसे आपने लगाया,
Like you have put. Very nice.
क्योंकि ये शरीर
Because this body is a temple.
शरीर मंदिर है, ईदम शरीरम
Idam shariram vyadinam mandiram.
ये शरीर हमारे किसके मंदिर है?
This body is a temple of diseases actually.
इस रोग व्याधि
In
मंदिर
these
से
temple of diseases,
पवित्र करने के
we have to
लिए
clean this temple.
दूर करने
Meaning we have to throw away all the diseases.
ये तिलक
Solution is this tilak.
है? आज इसलिए
For this regard,
शरीर में मंदिर क्यों रही, शरीर पर तिलक क्यों लगाएंगे?
why put tilak on this body?
तिलक लगाओ, देखो शरीर पर
Put tilak, then the body will be purified.
शरीर में जितने भी
And all kinds of
है,
inauspiciousness, it will go away.
विश्वास करके देखो कुछ
With faith, you put with some faith and see your body will feel good.
मन स्थिर हो जाए.
Mind will be calm.
आप तो हर रोज लगाते हैं ना, आज लगाए.
Just you put today, right? Every day you put, then you see. You will realize yourself.
काल लगा, परसों लगा, ऐसे करके फिर जब लगाओगे ना.
Try it again tomorrow, a few days you will realize. So much happiness will come.
आज लोग कहते हैं,
People say,
बोले तिलक क्यों लगाएंगे?
why put tilak?
पवित्र होता है.
Put tilak, then body is purified.
ठाकुर जी कहाँ पर रहते हैं?
Thakur ji stays in where?
कहाँ रहते हैं?
He stays in temple, right?
मंदिर के ऊपर में
And on top of temple, they have
गम्बुज रहते हैं.
the flag, right? Oh, and there is tilak on top of temple. So this body is like a temple.
ये शरीर मंदिर है.
It is a temple.
और गले में
And you should wear kanthi in your throats,
ये तुलसी है.
in your
बहुत
neck.
पवित्र.
This tulasi is very pure. Slowly,
नास्तिक होते जा रहे
we are becoming atheist because
टीवी देखते हैं.
we are watching televisions here and there and we are learning from them, being influenced by that what we see in TV.
तो देश की
We are being attracted by the Western culture and becoming atheist.
इसमें धीरे
So slow, that's why slowly what's happening?
हम अपने सभ्यता
We are forgetting our own culture and tradition.
विधर्मी आकर के
The people, atheists are coming and they are completely come and destroy our dharma. Slowly,
शंका लोगों से
the
क्या है?
counting will go down of the Hindus,
शंका हो
of
जाएंगे, शंका लोग हो जाएंगे.
the population of the people who follow this religion will decrease slowly. The Vidharmi people, those who are against our dharma, will come and kill to us. In Bangladesh, what's going on?
कितने हिंदू के जो है
They are
दे रहे हैं.
killing Hindus
और उसके
and they are minority there. One day we will become minority also. They are taking their money, wealth, they are burning their houses.
यही होते हैं. क्यों हम
This is happening because when we don't follow our own dharma, the Vidharmis, like,
सारे नष्ट कर देंगे.
they will come and destroy everything. You won't be able to live, survive.
इसलिए
For this regard,
सभी भागवत भजन कर
everybody do Bhagavad Bhajan. Understand and realize your culture, tradition, follow it. Then it is good.
नहीं तो धीरे धीरे
Otherwise, slowly, we all will die.
हम नास्तिक बन
We
जाएंगे.
will become atheist.
कहाँ जाएंगे आप?
Where will you go? Tell me.
तो यही तो करें,
This is the thing.
अपने भजन का.
Do bhajan.
पाश्चात्य देशों के
See, in the West, from the West, are coming to India to understand the Indian culture and tradition.
देखो कहाँ से
She asked her, where is she from? Kazakhstan.
देखो कितने सुंदर तिलक
See,
लगाए.
beautiful tilak she is putting. She is wearing sari, very nice. She is from Yamuna Didi, from France. From many years, they are doing bhajan since the time of Gurudev. Yamuna Didi is here.
फ्रांस है.
Came from France.
अच्छा इतने हरी कथा भी
She speak very nice Harikatha also.
सुंदर
Very beautiful Harikatha she spoke, melts everyone's heart.
मैंने उनको भी बुलाया.
So there was due to, because
फ्रेंच इतने सुंदर भी बोलते.
she speaks nice French also.
हम इसलिए कहते हैं, देखो
So I'm saying this because, and she's
चार
Chandrika
चंद्रिका
Didi
है इंग्लैंड से.
from England.
ये सब भजन हम
They are doing bhajan. I'm saying this because
हम इसलिए उदाहरण देते
I'm giving
हैं.
example because
हमारी भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति
our Indian culture and tradition
देश के लोग कैसे
is being valued by Westerners. See, this Brahmachari from Brazil
कीर्तन भी अच्छा करते
do nice kirtan,
हैं. वैष्णव
do nice Harikatha. He is born in Vaishnav family also.
हम क्यों नहीं
So
करते?
why we being Indians are not valuing our own culture? This we must try to ask ourselves.
जो कार्य ठीक है उसके लिए
Okay, what those who are following, it's good.
जो नहीं कर रहे हैं
Those who are not following,
यही निवेदन
just I request to them
है. ये आप लोग सभी
that all you please
भगवान के भजन
do bhajan of God.
करें. भगवान के भजन उससे सुख शांति. रामायण पढ़े
So much peace and will come. Study Ramayan,
और भागवत पढ़े, गीता पढ़े.
study Bhagavad Gita.
चिंतन करना चाहिए.
First, which scripture should you study? Gita.
गीता में इदं पढ़तम, गीता में सारुत्तम, जत्र गीता विचारश्च पठनं तथा मोदते श्री कृष्ण भगवान श्री राधया सह। गीता महत्व में यही कहा गया।
In Gita it is said, wherever Gita is being recited, wherever Gita is discussed, Radha and Krishna both come there.
श्री राधया सह, स्वयं राधा जी के साथ भगवान प्रकट हो जाते। लोग कहते हैं ये गर्व से कहो हम।
People say we are Hindus, say proudly, but by just saying you won't become, right? You have to
आचरण करना,
follow the good behavior of being a Hindu. You have to put tilak,
गले में
you have to wear kanti mala on the neck, you have to chant holy names,
गीता अध्ययन करना
you have to study Gita.
स्कूल में जाके
You go to school,
स्कूल के यूनिफॉर्म पर
we wear school uniform, right?
स्कूल से आई है,
Like she came from school, little girl is wearing school uniform, right?
यूनिफॉर्म है कि नहीं?
True or not?
आपके स्कूल कौन सा स्कूल है?
What school? We have same school?
दूसरी, उसके यूनिफॉर्म कहाँ है? यही
So
है।
this is the school uniform? No.
दूसरी, आज छुट्टी पर
Today she's on holiday.
स्कूल के यूनिफॉर्म पढ़ना पड़ता है कि
You
नहीं?
have to wear the school uniform, right?
डॉक्टर हो,
Whether you be a doctor, if you go to clinic, you have to dress up as a doctor. If you're a lawyer, you have to dress accordingly.
ऑफिस में है,
In the office, you have to
उसी का यूनिफॉर्म पड़ता है।
wear the same. If in military,
सेना में आपने
if you're in army,
जब है तो आपके
Then
वो ड्रेस पहनना पड़ने
you will have to wear
और वस्तु की देखो
the
एक
dress up like a
होती है, हम
soldier.
दे रहे हैं जिन-
So I'm giving example, right?
भगवान का भजन करें
If you're doing bhajan, then
भी
there is a proper etiquette to dress up. So you have to put tilak, put kanti mala.
तैयारी होना
You
पड़ेगा।
have to be vegetarian.
ये हमें बस धीरे 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 हम
Slowly, then we develop our lives. We still study Gita first. First book which should you study? Gita. Everybody read Bhagavad Gita.
आपके सारी
If you read Bhagavad Gita, all knowledge will come to you.
बिल्कुल जो आपके तृतीय नेत्र जो है
Your third eye will open.
खुल जाएगा। ये तो दो आँख ही है।
We have two eyes, right?
आंखों की तो सब कुछ आप देख रहे
You can see everything through these two eyes, but you read Gita, a third eye on the forehead,
थर्ड आई वो अपने आप
it will open.
आपको अनुभव होगा।
You will realize.
इसलिए गीता अध्ययन
So read Gita.
है। आत्मा क्या है?
What is soul?
परमात्मा क्या है?
What is Paramatma? What is this world?
हम कहाँ से आए हैं?
Where have we come from? Where will we go? All these things, Tattva Gyan will come.
इसलिए
For this regard,
घर में रखना चाहिए।
everybody have Gita in the house.
घर में ही रखो। देखो
Just to put Gita in the, if three things you must keep in your house. Remember,
घर में तुलसी है आपके घर?
Tulsi, you have?
तुलसी रखो बहुत
Put Tulsi, very nice.
और गंगा जल रखो।
Ganga Jal,
क्या रखो? गंगा।
Ganga Jal.
और तीसरी
And third thing,
गीता रखो।
Bhagavad Gita.
भगवत गीता जो। देखो आपके घर में कभी लड़ाई झगड़ा
100,
नहीं।
no fight will happen in your house. With faith you keep.
गीता में
And
तुलसी तुलसी पत्ता और
Tulsi Patta and Ganga Jal you offer to Gita.
देखो
Then
आपके घर में कभी झगड़ा नहीं होगा।
no fight will happen in your house.
अब देवता भूत पिशाच
Ghost, any negative energy will not come in the house either.
शक्ति है।
So much power is in the
हम
Gita.
इसलिए पहली कात लोगों की कात
I'm
पहले
saying this because
अध्ययन करें।
everybody read Gita first, know about it.
कितना सुंदर है।
Very beautiful book it is. I travel all around the world. See, in all the house they have.
सब घर
And
मैं कहते पहले गीता रखो।
I told first I tell to everyone to bring Gita.
उसी भाषा की
Whatever language you know, you purchase that language Gita and put in your house.
कौन सा भाषा?
What language do you know? Gujarati.
गुजराती भाषा में गीता रखो।
In Gujarati there is Gita. Early in the morning you just wake up just to read one slok.
धर्म क्षेत्रे
Dharmakshetra Kurukshetra.
समवेदा विश्व ममका पांडवाश्चैव किम कृत संजय। एक श्लोक पढ़ बस।
Just read slok like this. Not many. Just one is enough because you don't have time. You have to go to school, go to office.
कम से कम एक गीता की श्लोक।
Just take one. Just read one slok every day.
हमारे भारतवर्ष की ऐसी है देखो देखो
See,
मैं सच कहता हूँ।
I am speaking truth. Example.
राष्ट्रपति हो या प्रधानमंत्री हो
When a president, prime minister,
है उसके शपथ लेते हैं oath
they
लेते
take an oath, right? They take oath on what?
हैं। किसके ऊपर भाई?
On what? They take oath on Bhagavad Gita.
है? धर्मशास्त्र के ऊपर हाथ रखे वो
they keep their hands on top of this best book of religion,
मैं सदा सर्वदा
and they say, oh, I always
मैं
I will follow truth and I will work serve my country. That's why it is written Satyameva Jayate. Whether they do something else is another subject, but it's the oath
मैं दूँ
that I will always do justice.
में जाए वो
In oath it's written.
स्केल में घर पर लगा था ऐसे लगा है पूरा जो बैलेंस
In Indian judiciary also it's written Satyameva Jayate, that truth always wins.
इसलिए गीता की हमें
So everybody must keep Gita.
हम उसके अनुसरण करें
We must try to follow it
कित पर चलें
and walk on the path of Dharma.
इसलिए
For this
बहुत
regard,
अच्छा लगा
very nice, beautiful people of Gujarat are very naturally they are inclined to follow the Dharma. Wherever I go, everywhere I glorify the people of Gujarat because I see
इधर के लोग
Gujaratis,
धर्म प्राण हैं
they have so much faith.
जितने मठ मंदिर होते हैं
All temples, they go to the temples, they serve in the temples, they have the mood to serve.
हम वृंदावन
In Vrindavan, Mathura, I saw
माताएं आते हैं
mothers come, they all come from Gujarat,
और लोग माताएं क्या करती है
and those mothers 40 days
वो क्या करते हैं परिक्रमा करते हैं
they are doing parikrama.
पैदल पैदल करते हैं
They walk
हर रोज 5 किलोमीटर जगह
every day 5 kilometers and
डालते हैं फिर दूसरे
they rest and then they get up again. Then in Kartik month,
चतुर्मास हो जाए
in Chaturmasya,
और लोग करते हैं कितना उल्टा खाता हूँ प्राण होते
very nice mood
और
they
देश में जो
have.
कुछ भी हो और राज्य में जो कुछ भी
In
हो
other places,
गुजरात के रहने वाले लोग
different, but the people of Gujarat, in their heart they have prem. Why?
बोले एक महापुरुष आकर के
Because one
गुजरात को प्रेम के द्वारा
One Mahapurush came to Gujarat and created a flood of ocean, flood of prem here. Who's that? Vallabhacharya.
है इतना मतलब
He purified the whole Gujarat. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Rupa Goswami Pad is writing,
क्योंकि भी
explained about the Pushti Marg.
आप देखो हम नहीं करें
I am not saying you can read. Gaudiya Vaishnavas,
और रूप गोस्वामी पाद
Rupa Goswami Pad,
भक्ति रसम
in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu,
उनकी भी बहुत तारीफ
he has glorified him so much. The Pushti Marg, Vallabhacharya.
और संत बलवाचार्य
And Vallabhacharya himself, he met with Mahaprabhu and
उनके जो है अनेक जो है ये समझ तत्व आदि
many tattvas they discussed.
कहीं देखो एक
Because one Sant Mahatma,
जगत में प्रकट हो जाता
when he appears in the world, then he preaches all around.
प्रेम की बाढ़ वो
And they
लेकर
carry themselves, they carry a flood of prem wherever they go.
भ्रमण करता था
So I travel in Gujarat, wherever I go,
और ये एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य
there is a special thing I see in Gujarat,
है कि नहीं
true or not.
जितने मंदिर है
All the temples,
किसके ही है
they are of
गुजराती लोग
Gujaratis. They donate a lot of 10 temples.
they are energy they are done
Their energy, money, wealth,
foundation everything is there
everything they support in temple. In Western countries even, big temples, they are constructed by Gujaratis. When I comparatively we see the Gujaratis do this more. The Swaminarayan temple, big temple, Leicester, this Prabhuji, Hanuman Prabhuji lives there, and there is such a beautiful temple. It's like an airport. True or not? Very huge temple. 300, 400 car parking is there in the temple. Such a huge temple. I'm saying this because we must not forget our culture and tradition. Otherwise we will go here and there. We will become atheist, and slowly we will forget everything. The huge Bharat, India, slowly the map is decreasing. Now first the Pakistan was divided, Bangladesh divided, Kashmir almost divided. Slowly the map is becoming Afghanistan divided. It was the Gandhar Desh. Slowly the India is contracting. See, slowly if we don't follow our rich culture and tradition, then one day this will disappear from the world map. So for this regard,
याद रखना चाहिए।
we must remember and do bhajan of God. And Bihari Lal
जय जय
Shri Radhe. Time is up.
बहुत अच्छा लगा,
Very nice coming in your house.
बहुत प्रसन्नता हुई।
I become so happy. What is your name?
अशोक
क्या जी? बाबू भाई। आपके लिए जोर से ताली।
Babu Bhai. Name?
अशोक भाई,
Ashok Bhai.
सब शोक के नाश करने वाले जय। अशोक कोई शोक
Ashok destroying all kind of sadness means.
तो भैया ना उन्होंने ये घर लिया है, अभी 2-3 दिन पहले हमने बेचा और उन्होंने लिया।
वाह बहुत अच्छा है। और आपके शुभ नाम प्रभु जी? गिरीश भाई।
वो मेरा अंकल है।
अच्छा आपका बहुत अच्छे। और आपके शुभ नाम?
स्वेद पटेल।
हाँ?
श्वेद
अच्छा बहुत अच्छी बात है। और आपके शुभ नाम?
खुशबू।
खुशबू। अर्जुन सब खुशबू कर दिया।
Khushbu means fragrance.
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Spreading fragrance all around. Is your daughter? What's the name?
प्रणाम।
Tanash.
आपके शुभ नाम?
माय मदर
योर मदर? तिलक।
शीला।
शीला। अच्छा बहुत अच्छा। आपका नाम? रोशनी। और साइकिल रोशनी कर दे रहे हैं। नाम?
Roshni means spreading light all around.
क्या जी?
हेतल।
Hetal.
हेतल। बोथ आर माय फ्रेंड्स।
अच्छा, बहुत सुंदर है। और ये आपकी बेटी है, क्या नाम है?
आराध्या।
आराध्या। बहुत अच्छा। और तुम्हारा नाम?
हर्षल।
हर्षल। बहुत अच्छे है। सब लोग आप बहुत प्रसन्नता।
Very nice. I become so happy coming here in this house.
समय कम
But
है।
because time is short, now we are going to
क्या बोले भावनगर?
Bhavnagar.
बोले इधर उधर भाया उधर हम जा रहे हैं।
नहीं, आप हमें आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए कि आप हमारे घर पे आए, हमको आशीर्वाद दिया।
We like to thank you.
वेरी टेंस कि क्या होगा, पर आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड ब्लेस्ड नाउ।
नहीं आपने हमें आश्रय दिया, नहीं तो हम कहाँ?
You have given me shelter. You
कुछ नहीं, आपका यहाँ पे लिखा ही था।
you invited to me here. It's your mercy that you invited me here, Gurudev is saying.
यार blessed कि
The devotee is thanking.
और आप यहाँ पे हमारे वहाँ पे आए।
के आपके दर्शन हुए।
अरे,
हाँ, यार ब्लेस्ड।
पिछले बार हम आए थे, इससे पहले मैं 2-3 बार भी
और आप
Few times I've been here before.
देखने को मिला कि आप राजकोट से कनेक्टेड है, तो
राजकोट तो मैं कई बार आ चुका।
Many times I've been here in Rajkot.
सारे क्या बोलते हैं रिलेटिव,
All his relatives live here in Rajkot.
और राजकोट से ही हम जो है फ्लाइट पकड़ते हैं।
And usually we fly from Rajkot, Delhi to Rajkot is easy flight.
मिल जाता है और हम जाते हैं भुज चले जाते हैं।
And then we go to Bhuj.
सोमनाथ भी गया था
है?
सोमनाथ गया
हाँ सोमनाथ भी
We
गए
went to
थे।
Somnath.
इनके पास से हमने बहुत सुना था आपका तारक भाई आते हैं ना, हमारे महाराज ऐसे है ऐसे, और फिर हमको
So
ऐसा
Tarak Prabhu glorifies Gurudev, devotee is saying.
उनको बुलाना ही है, हमें आशीर्वाद चाहिएगा, कुछ भी करो।
And then we said Gurudev must come to our house.
और
Very nice.
विदेशी भक्त जो हैं,
All the Western devotees, they were about to come, but then
क्या बोले भावनगर जिले
they went straight to Bhavnagar.
अहमदाबाद जाना है, अहमदाबाद से फ्लाइट पकड़ करके फिर दिल्ली जाना है।
I have to go Ahmedabad to Delhi because time is up.
जो है आज करीब 1.5 महीने जो है उनके ट्रैवल कर रहे थे अपने।
The devotees have been traveling with me for almost 1.5 months. Now they have to check their visas and tickets, so they all have to go.
इधर भी हम सब दिन जो है हमारे राधा करती थी।
Here 7 days with Radhakanti Didi.
दिन तो हम उधर ही रहे।
10 days we were there in Bhuj.
कुछ में वहाँ पर जिस दिन भागवत सप्ताह किया।
Bhagavad Saptah was there. In Mumbai also went for a day. Tarun Krishna Prabhu arranged nice program. His parents were very nice.
प्रेम भक्ति
So much nice mood they have in Mumbai. We did program there.
फिर हम इधर आ गए।
2 days. Then we came here.
पहले
First I go to Mumbai.
आते थे, पहले अभी
Before we used to come Rajkot. Now we go to Mumbai. Then and going time Rajkot.
बहुत अच्छा।
Very nice.
आओ तब आप टाइम लेके
Devotee saying next time you come again and I want you to come and stay in our house.
पे जाएंगे ना वहाँ पे।
मैं आता हूँ, मेरा परिवार बहुत बड़ा होता है।
Gurudev is saying my family is very very big. When I come, many devotees come with me because my family is very huge.
जाएंगे ना, वो भी बहुत बड़ा है, इससे ज्यादा भी लेके आओगे ना तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
Devotee saying no problem, you can bring as many as you want.
मानती सर बनी है उतने तो 27 आदमी हम लोग थे, कितने थे हम लोग?
At that time we came 27 people, 30 people.
सब व्यवस्था किया,
Everything she arranged last time, Radha Kanti Didi.
हर रोज कथा,
And every day Hari Katha.
चार टाइम हम लोग हरि कथा,
4 times Hari Katha I'm speaking once a day.
जो है 5 से लेकर
Bhagavad Katha 5 to 10.
9 बजे तक कथा,
5 to 9 Katha.
और फिर इसके सुबह
And early morning Mangalingala Aarti. Then house program, room Katha.
सब भक्त लोग सब
All the devotees they have traveled with me like this.
इस कथा हम कहते हैं ना, हम जहाँ पर जाते हैं
So I say wherever I go,
परिवार इतने बड़े जाते हैं,
I have a huge family.
आपके शरण कब हमको रहना?
ब्राजील में जाते हैं,
In Brazil I go.
उनसे पूछे,
On morning walk, there are 70 to 80 people in morning walk. Ask him.
आप यूट्यूब में देखें कि
In YouTube, you can see in morning walk when I go,
से कम
there
60
are
से 70 आदमी
60 to 70 people are coming with me on the morning walk.
हैं? एयरपोर्ट में जब आ जाता हूँ
When I come on airport, then people become surprised. Who is coming? Who is coming? Because many people are at the airport.
आऊंगा,
But I will come in your house for sure.
रहने के लिए आना पर
अच्छा रहने
You
के
must come and stay. Devotee is saying, you must come and stay in the house.
इस समय जो है समय हमारे भी कम है और
Time is short for this regard.
सूचना जो है और
It was a sudden plan also.
इसलिए वो एक कर नहीं पाया। आज
So
जब
next
आएंगे,
time we will make a proper plan.
हमारे तरुण कृष्ण प्रभु जी
Tarun Krishna Prabhu.
खरीदारी की है सब, है बहुत अच्छा लगा। देखो उनके घर में हम गए थे, कहाँ से?
We went to his house in Somnath. Her name Radha Radhika Priya.
राधिका प्रिया,
राधी
राधिका प्रिया,
राधिका प्रिय है, राधा प्रिय
Radha Priya.
है। वो कहाँ से उन्होंने बिल्कुल कहाँ
Came from Somnath, far out in the village. We went there.
कितने किलोमीटर?
It's even far from Somnath, 1 hour away from Somnath.
गांव के लोग इतने सरल
And
हैं।
people of the village are so nice.
मैं तो देख करके आश्चर्य
I became surprised.
है। गुजरात के लोग इतने
People of Gujarat, so nice.
प्रेमी होते हैं,
They
सरल,
have so much sweet, simple,
बिल्कुल जब
have so much prem.
क्या बोले मैदान में
In a huge ground,
वो ये लगा दी, क्या बोले
they put a tent in a farm field.
100-150 आदमी
150 people came. Very nice program it was.
हर घर में बोले
And I went to like more than 15 houses side by side. Everywhere Guru Aarti going like this.
आप लोग
Very nice.
ऐसे प्रेम प्रति देख करके
Seeing your love and affection, I feel so much blissful.
सावन बिहारी लाल की है। अधिक समय हम लेते हैं।
Now without
फिर
much delay, it's 2:30. I have to go Bhavnagar also. 7 o'clock another program at Bhavnagar.
विदेशी भक्त जो है
And all the Western devotees,
भी पहुंच गए।
they have already arrived there. They are waiting for me there. They all are waiting for me there.
बोलो वृंदावन
Ya Lal ki jai.